Hose on the pliers and done. Big problem solved. A lot of people struggle with this and can't even figure a way out. No new tools, no expensive parts, no rushing to the store thinking that will save the day. Just an improvisation that looks silly until it works better than most professional solutions. Before it was all headaches, tighten here and leak there. Now it's pure relief. So simple it's almost annoying you didn't think of it sooner. Not magic, just experience.